Local news for Thursday, the 17th of September. Round the Vines has been the latest event to fall victim to COVID-19. The event, which attracts hundreds of people from all over New Zealand, has been cancelled. Organisers have said they have not made the decision lightly given the size of the event and ongoing uncertainty around alert levels in New Zealand, alongside concerns for health and safety of the entrants, volunteers and wider community. Kahutara School was fostering students' connection with nature by developing a wetland to encourage biodiversity back to the local area, following the school's participation in the White Bay Connection program. Greater Wellington Councillor Adrian Staples says the young generation is paving the way for a greener, healthier and more resilient future through kōpapa like these. And the Masterton District Council has voted to correct the name of Makora Road. The name and spelling error will be corrected from Makora to Makota. In sport, the Ferriers Wairarapa Bush side has been named for this weekend's game against Horowhenua Kapiti in Levin. The side will be captained by Kirk Tafunga and features at least 8 members of the Greytown and Marist teams who played in this year's final with 8 debutants. And referee Rebecca Marnie will control the Bay of Plenty Waikato Wharapama Cup match this coming Saturday. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.